Happy birthday, sir. Have a great day. Wishing you the best of health and lots of happiness in the years to come. You've not only been a great teacher, but a wonderful friend and a fantastic guide.
Happy birthday to the coolest teacher on earth. And more than a teacher, a friend lifelong. Thank you, sir, for everything. God bless.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Many, many more happy and healthy returns. God bless you, sir. Stay happy. You're always a moving force in our life. Still, we look upon to you for so many things. Keep safe. Regards to everyone at home. Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday, dear Francis, sir. Today you have earned something which no one can deny you or take it away from you. The grace in your hair, the emerging baldness, and the wrinkles on your face show how much you have worked for it. Best of birthday ever, sir, and God bless you. To talk about you, in short, you're a calm and composed person, and you always inspire people by saying, I only remember Kannadasan's songs, Ponal Pogattum Poda. That's the way you are, and that's how you have inspired many generations.
To a selfless, helpful, dedicated teacher, mentor and friend. Dear Sir Francis, here's wishing you a happy birthday. Have a great day today and a wonderful year ahead. Stay blessed, sir.
What is the first thing that comes to mind when I think of you is your old scooter with the initials PK written on it. So at that time you were a bachelor and you were staying at Mayfield along with the other bachelor teachers. So you used to come into the main compound through that gate. You'll park your two-wheeler in second field.
Hello Mr. Francis, happy birthday. And the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about you is kindness. You have a wonderful year. It was lovely having you as a teacher in school. God bless.
A very happy birthday to you, sir. All the very best, and may God continue to bless you and shower you with happiness and all the best that life has to offer, including love, laughter, joy, happiness, contentment and peace. Basically everything that makes you so special. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Francis, sir. The first thing that comes to my mind when I think of you is you sitting on your Hero Honda and puttering on second field between the Mayfield and the main school. Wishing you a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Thank you very much, sir, for coming into the lives of so many of us.
Wish you a very happy birthday. May God give you good health and happiness always.
Just wanted to wish you a great happy birthday. A lot of memories come to my mind from our school days. You have been one of our best mentor, a teacher, everything to us.
Hi Francis sir, wish you a very very happy birthday.
You tolerate everything around you and you pass the positive vibrations in the words you write today in social networking, in Facebook. You are somebody who can transmit that positive vibrations to everybody. Many more returns of this day, sir, with humbly and always your student.
Hi sir, happy birthday. It's been 15 years since I left school, but my memories of school and you and Betty Miss and all are still fresh.
Hi sir, happy birthday to you. You're part of the extended family. I wish you all luck, all health, wealth, and I wish and pray that you're there for us as always as you have been. Thanks for being whatever you are to us, and thanks for being more than just the principal of Riverside and family to us. Lots of love from Nandini and the kids, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.
A very great teacher keeps you in our hearts all the time. We wish you a very best year ahead and have a lots more. Many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year.
Happy birthday, sir. Hope you're having a great fun quarantine party. When I got a message about this video, the first thing I thought of was all the life advice I got kneeling down in front of the whole class. Anyway, I'll keep this short. Thank you for being the most patient teacher I've had, and hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hello sir, happy birthday. I wish you a wonderful year ahead. Stay happy, stay cool.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. I think the greatest lesson that I've learned from you is how to remain calm under any kind of circumstances. I think that is one thing that I will always remember, that I have carried from you. And if I'm what I'm today, it is because of teachers like you. Thank you so much, sir.
So in 2020, this is a very appropriate message. There are a lot of things going haywire, but just stay calm, stay cool, stay collected. Be like Sir Francis.
You have molded me into the person that I am today. You have cautioned me at various stages during my stint at Montfort and thereafter. Your famous line of control, I still use today, and everyone who knows me will always say that that's my favorite word, and I learned that from you.
A very happy birthday from me and my family. Wish you the best year ahead, and looking forward to meeting you when I'm there. Take care, sir. Bye.
First off, a very, very happy birthday to you. It's a special day, and I'm sure you're going to have a great one ahead of you. On this day, I recall fondly the memories that I have of you. You've been an outstanding teacher, and to me, you've been more than a teacher. You've been a friend, a philosopher who I can count on and talk to when I was in school.
Hi Francis sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Quarantine birthday, like all your daughters have planned it to be very special.
Sir, wish you a very happy birthday, and on first place I have to say a thank you to you for being there in my life, for being there part of my learning journey, for giving me that special attention always.
Hi sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day and great years to come. The first thing which comes to my mind when I think about you is everything under control. You used to ask me whenever you see me at school.
You're a really supportive person and a really nice person to rely upon. Happy birthday sir, have a blast.
You have met students from all walks of life, but you have connected everybody in a very special way, sir. Sir, for you, age is just a number. Wishing you a wonderful year and wishes to inspire more life. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you for being such a sweet person in my life. No words could express your love towards us. And the greatest thing I miss from you is the evening walks where you give me a lot of advice.
Happy birthday, sir. Have a great year ahead, sir. It's a real blessing for me to be guided under you. And thank you for all the support you have done to me, sir.
Hi, sir. Very happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful year ahead. And thank you so much for all your support in Riverside. And to be honest, it's been a really wonderful year in Riverside. And so thank you for all your love and support. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.